If you're editing a video in DaVinci Resolve where you've got multiple cameras recording at the same time, but one of those cameras was being turned on and off, currently this camera is off. I'm going to go and hit record. This camera might be a roving camera. Say there's a wedding and you might have a wide shot set up filming the whole reception or the whole wedding, and you might have one or more mobile cameras just being moved around the scene. These cameras are going to be turned off and on at various points during the wedding. So you need some way, just hit record again, to sync up all of these cameras when you're creating a multicam clip. Here's the main camera angle that was recording the whole time, and these three are those three separate ones that were just recording for short bursts. If I try and select all of these and right click and go and create a new multicam clip, and I'm going to choose to sync on sound because we don't have time code in these cameras. I'm going to leave all of these other settings as they are and hit create. If I right click on this new multicam clip and open it in the timeline, DaVinci Resolve has done a pretty good job. We've got this main angle and we've got these three other clips. The problem is at the minute they're all on separate angles. Really, we probably just want them all to be on one angle. But this is really easy to fix. Just select the clip, hold down shift and then drag it down. Holding down shift will make sure it doesn't move left and right. We'll do the same thing here. Click, hold down shift, drag down. We can now delete these empty angles by right clicking and choosing delete unused angles. And now let's go and create a new timeline from this multicam clip. So here's our multicam clip in the timeline. Let's go and make a quick edit. You can see at some points the multicam clip just has a black box for angle 1. That's the period where that camera was not recording. So we'll start off with angle 4. We'll switch to angle 1. And then at some point we'll stop recording on that camera and switch back to this angle. I want to show you a slightly more advanced version next, but one that's really useful if you've got a lot of those shorter, smaller clips. We saw that we get a new angle created for each of those recordings for that second camera. If you've got 20, 30, 40 separate recordings, you don't really want to have to go and make all of those changes to 40 multicam tracks. We need to come over to the media pool and we're going to have a look at the properties for these clips. I'm going to switch to list view. We want to give DaVinci Resolve some kind of information about the fact that these three shorter clips should all be on the same multicam angle track. I'll just show you first of all, if we right click and choose create new multicam clip, we've got this option down here to detect clips from the same camera, and we can use camera angle, camera number, reel number, name and roll card number to help DaVinci Resolve understand that this was actually the same camera and not needing to go on multiple angle tracks. So what we need to do is we need to be able to use one of these things. Just going to hit cancel, and if I scroll across by default, we don't get those things. I'm going to right click on the header and I'm going to check camera number. We'll now get this column with camera number, and this is currently empty for all of these clips. Let's select this first clip. This is the angle that was recording the whole time. Just going to close the audio section, click on this drop down and choose all groups. Scroll down until you see camera number. Let's just call this A-cam. And now you can see here that we've got that metadata set. Let's go and do the same thing for all of these three clips. Select them all, tick camera, and we'll call this B-cam. Resolve will ask us if we want to apply that to multiple clips, so we'll click apply, and now we've got B-cam for these three clips. We can now go and create the new multicam clip. This time choose detect clips from same camera and make sure we select camera number and hit create. If we open up this new multicam clip in a timeline, we've now got our three separate clips, but this time they're already on just a single angle, all ready for us to edit with. Check this video to learn even more. I'm Jason Roberts. This is DaVinci Dojo, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.